Hi, something we're missing from our contacts address book is an image of our contact. Obviously, that's quite a regular thing in an address book, and it might be something that you need to use in other databases that you create. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that field now. Right now you can see the fields that are in our database, so we're going to just add an image field. So if we go to the database, just make sure we're on the right database. It says one there. We can also check that here. Main address book. So we'll hide these settings. And what we want to do is we want to grab a image. So add image is here. And I am going to put that, I'll put that up here. We might want to move that. We don't know yet. That's fine. We'll say it's editable. So I'll show you why that's important. Right here it says, I don't think we've used this before. Here it says derive the image file name. So when an image is created, the system will give it a name, and that name can be derived from another field. So say for example in the single line text field up here called name, I've added the name of Peter, then this field here, this image, will use that name Peter in its when it names the image. So we can see that in action. As I said, I've made this editable here, and we'll see why that's important. So what should we call this? Let's just say contacts picture or contact picture, and we'll derive that from the name, and we'll add that. So right now we should see an extra field appear when we refresh this, and it will have nothing in it. There we go, contact picture. So let's do something with that. We'll add a contact picture. So Tony has sent me an image, or I have an image of Tony in some way. So I'm going to edit this field, this entry. We'll see that there's no image available there, so I'm just going to go and add an image right now. So we'll edit this item, and we'll see that we have the option to add the contact picture here. So I'm going to do that right now. Right, so I'm just going to grab an image. Let's have a look. Also, good one. These are all images of me. We'll save that. And we'll now see if we refresh our search. We'll see, under get my items, we'll see that there's this contact. Tony has an image, and we can actually click on that image, and we can see quite quickly that that's the one we added. Again, we can edit that as well. So we might want to change the image that we have of Tony. So I'm going to edit, and we have the option to edit here. So I'll get another contact picture. Me again. There we go, there's a different image of me this time, and we'll save that. And again, we'll see that that has refreshed in the database. I mentioned that the image name, the actual picture, will be derived by the name Tony Park. So if we actually open this image in another tab, we'll be able to see that Tony Parks has been used as the prefix to the image name.